Good day, everyone. My name is Okeke Blessing Chinyere in the Department of Animal Science 400 level. I'm doing my IT now in our Animal Science farm here in the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Here we have so many units in the farm. Those are the ones we have worked in. Actually worked in all the units. Right now we're working in the piggery unit. The piggery unit is an interesting place to work in. You have a lot of experience here. When I started working here newly, I was very scared of the pigs, frightened to enter the pen, but I've stayed here for almost a month now, and we've learned a lot how to stay with the pigs, how to feed them, and how to take care of them. Now, we have some little challenges here in our animal farm. The piggery unit is okay, but we still need some more facilities like drainage systems. There are no showers in the pen as we were taught in class, and then the the odor coming out from the pen is really very bad. But I feel if there is a proper drainage system in the pen, it will be easy to flush out the dirt when we come in the morning, and then it will be kept clean. Thank you.